How to connect with unlocked Wi-Fi. When you are on the go for your business and you need to access some important documents or other information, an internet connection may not always be available. In these situations, an unsecured Wi-Fi network may be a viable option, and connecting is easy with any Wi-Fi enabled device. Typically, unsecured networks can be found at locations where businesses, such as restaurants, are operated for the benefit of patrons. Other times, these networks are simply private networks left unsecured by their owners. 1. Open the wireless networking menu on your computer, smartphone, or another device. 2. Scan for available networks using the applicable command or tool on your device. Typically, this feature is conspicuously labeled as Scan for Wireless Networks, Detect Wireless Networks, or something similar. 3. Locate the unsecured network on the list of networks detected. Depending on your device, secured networks may be denoted by an icon. If not, you'll have to try connecting to each network until you find one that doesn't require an encryption key. 4. Connect to the network once you've identified it. Depending on the network type and signal strength, it may take up to several minutes to establish a connection. 5. Test the connection by opening a web browser and navigating to a safe, reliable website such as Google. Warnings. 1. Never transmit sensitive information over an unsecured wireless connection, and never visit secure websites that contain sensitive data. You put your information at risk of interception by anyone connected to the network. 2. Using unsecured networks offered by businesses is perfectly fine, but be aware that tapping into an unsecured private network, aside from being very rude, may constitute bandwidth theft and could be prosecuted in some local jurisdictions.